Greetings! This video is the technician walkthrough for Turnkey Tracker Android version. When you first open the application, you'll see the jobs list. These are all the jobs that are associated to you. If this list happens to be long, you have the opportunity to filter this list by hitting the magnifying glass in the upper right-hand corner and typing in, let's say, unit number. And it will filter out based on what you've typed in. I'm going to clear that by hitting the X and then go into the first service, Loft Trees Apartments. On this screen, I can see some detail about the service, and I'm presented with a confirmed or declined button. This is telling the dispatcher if this is a service that you're going to be able to perform or you're not able to perform, because maybe you don't have the materials nor the time to do the service. Let's try declining this service. I hit decline and I see that a note is required to move to this status. You need to tell the dispatcher why you can't do this service. So we're going to hit the plus button to the right of notes in the middle of the screen here. That's going to bring up our note dialog, and we're going to type in no time, let's say. I'm going to click Save. You can see my note is there in the middle of the screen, and now I should be able to hit Declined. And it declined that service, removed it from my job list. This time, for Atlanta Downs, let's open that and hit Confirmed. Once we do that, we can see in the lower area here, your tabs, I have images and extras available to me. Let's try images. This is where I can take photos. In the upper right hand corner, you're going to see two icons. One that's like a clock, which represents history, and the idea there is that you're looking in your library for an image. And the one to the right, the shutter, looks like a camera shutter, is if you want to take a picture within the app. Let's do the history one first. I'm going to click that button and tell it to go to my photos and look at photos, and I'm going to pick a couple of these and then say I'm done. It'll take a moment here and you'll see those images resized and uploaded to your job. I can also add, as I mentioned before, taking a photo right directly in the app by hitting the shutter button, taking a photo, and there we have it. Why would you use one or the other? It really depends on what you're trying to achieve. If you hit the clock button to pull from your local library, those images live on your phone, so they're taking up space. If you take a picture from the app itself using the shutter button, then the picture is taken and it's uploaded to the server at that point in time. So you're not taking up space on your phone. It's really just a matter of, how you want to take those pictures. If you've uploaded a picture that you don't want to upload and you want to delete, you have that option in the upper left-hand corner of the image. You can hit the trash can and it'll ask you, are you sure that you would like to remove the attachment? Yes, and it's gone. Extras is another tab in the lower right-hand corner that allows you to put in extra service items that might need to be associated with this job. You could think of like a primer, or something was exceptionally dirty and you needed to put some extra time on it. You can put a new extra by clicking the plus button, and then you have a dialog that allows you to select an extra if it's defined for you, say primer, like we said before, or and you can put in a cost for that. Let's say 20. Or you can, if you don't see it in the list, you can hit extra not found. Slider there to the right and type in your extra. this extra not found. Again, make sure that you have a cost associated with it and hit save. And you can see your extras now associated with the job. Once you're done with the service and taking your pictures and putting in extras, you can tell the dispatcher that you're done by clicking the service button at the upper area here. I'm going to click it, and as you can see, went back to the job list, changed it to service.